I'm Krishna. I'm heading the formulations divisions of Bio4, that is Genera. So it is in Cherlapalli. I am a panel speaker for this CII conference on safety, pharma safety. So I expect this federation is doing a lot basically for pharma sector and industrial sector. So it's good to get associated with this and learn and share whatever we have learned in the industry for over 30 years from for now. Pharma is for last 20 years it's leading next to IT, and it will keep leading for future is bright. And it has not only in US, it is expanding its wings to other markets also. హ్యూమన్ ఇంటర్వెన్షన్ తగ్గుతుంది, ఏఐ వచ్చేసింది, ఐటీ హ్యాస్ గ్రోన్ ఇన్ టు ద షాప్ ఫ్లోర్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫార్మా ఇండస్ట్రీ. సో ఫ్యూచర్ ఈజ్ బ్రైట్ విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు ఐటీ ఇన్ టు ఫార్మా సెక్టర్. It's a common platform where industry is coming together and sharing the views. If we compare whatever the experience we have in the hall, it may be 2000 years of total experience. So we gain a lot when we share the views with other colleagues in the industry and we listen to them. So it's a lot of experience. See, we want to focus that how safety is important in the pharma sector and chemical sector, because we deal with chemicals, we deal with machinery, and human intervention is there. Human lives are important, and we are serving to the humanity, so we have to take care of ourselves at the same time to humanity. We have learned very much through COVID, and now the world is prepared to handle any such pandemics. At that time we were not prepared. It took at least 3 to 4 months, and we have lost very near and dear ones in the process. If it gets repeated, we'll not have the same problem, that's for sure. The technology has advanced a lot. Thank you very much.